Oh, hello there. I'm Chef Mark, and I'd like to welcome you, our Valo Dev Partners and developers, to the Valo DevKitchen. Also welcoming you to the DevKitchen is Chef Heinrich from Sweden and Chef Ilya from Canada. We've been continuously whipping up new products and new features to come up with the recipes of success. And now it's your turn to get your hands dirty.
That's right! Come join all the fun this November 17th and December 8th in whichever 3 time zones suits you best as we share all the latest that Valo has been prepping for you in the kitchen, all from a strictly technical perspective. Tell them about what's on the menu for those dates, Chef Ilya.
On November 17th, we'll be spending a total of 4 hours to go through all of our special ingredients regarding our products. Be there. Sorry, forgot my beer. It'll be a delicious time and fantastic opportunity for you to meet the cooks in Valo Kitchen and also other chefs within partners. You will have almost 3 weeks to create a demo of your creativity using Valo products. We will nominate the best 3 to our regional ceremony for live demos. And there will be one winning team per region to win the grand prize and the title of Master of DevKitchen.
Oh, yes. So here's what you need to do to participate. Valo Partners, register your company team in the Partner Hub. On the day of the event, join us on Microsoft Teams through the meeting invite and use the Valo DevKitchen Teams background sent out to you. Now we're all a Valo family, so feel free to go on camera, raise your hand, unmute yourself if you have any questions. And you'll have 2 weeks to create a mouth-watering demo. And join us once more on December 8th for a quick wrap-up and a grand finale announcing the winner.
Will your creation be the one to impress the panel of Chef Valo judges?
Don't forget our secret ingredient, Valo Love. See you there.